Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to clean Windows. You can use this method for Windows 11. So first you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting, under the System, scroll down, go to Storage option, scroll down a little bit, go to Cleanup Recommendations. Okay, you can see there are several cleanup recommendations are in here. You can clean your recycle bin, downloads and temporary Windows installation files. Once you are completed with the ticks, just tap on cleanup. So you can clean the whole file. So you can select the files you need to clean. So it's up to you. Then after you can tap on cleanup, then it will be completely removed from your computer. And second method is you can run the disk cleanup too. To do that, go to search bar, search for disk cleanup, tap on this application. You can choose the drive you need to clean. In my case it is C drive. Tap on OK, and you can see it is calculated done. You can see this kind of menu. So totally you can clean up to 5.8 gigabytes. So you can choose one by one you need to clean. If you don't need to clean your recycle bin, you can untick that one, and likewise you can tick other things kind of. Then after you can tap on OK, and you can clean your system files also by just tapping this option. So then after you can clean your temporary files. Just go to search bar, search for run, tap on the run application. In here you can type %temp %, tap on OK. In here you can see all the temporary files. You just need to press Ctrl A, that means use to select all, right click on here, tap on delete, and tick this one, tap on continue. So once it is completed, you can uninstall unnecessary applications also. To do that, go to Start menu, go to Setting, go to Apps, go to Apps and Features, wait for all the app loaded. Okay, once apps are loaded, you can see there is a 3 dots in right side corner. Just tap on it and tap on uninstall. It will be uninstall the application. Make sure to uninstall unnecessary application only. So once it is completed, you can clean your recycle bin by just right click on the recycle bin, go to empty recycle bin and tap on yes. It will be completely clean your recycle bin also. Finally, you can enable storage sense. To do that, go to Start menu, go to Setting, under the System section, go to Storage. Make sure to turn on storage sense. This will periodically remove temporary files and other unnecessary files. So these methods will be help to clean your Windows and save your space. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.